Time to let the dog out. This is Max. Good morning, Max. Okay, let's go take a look. Come on. Out. It's a little cold out here today. Max has to pee. We usually let him out first thing in the morning. Ooh, it is chilly out here today. Yeah. Welcome to West Texas. Ah. Max is doing his business ASAP. Not that you need to see that. So today's van thought is really not a van thought, actually. It's more of a process stuff. Those of people that are joining me from my Tango Topics website or from Argentine Tango know that I have just left the tango world, as it were, and did it in quite a public fashion, as it were. Well, I didn't do that simply because I needed to. I didn't do it because, or the public thing in a public fashion like that, because I needed to show off. What I needed to do was to leave in a very conscientious way, at least on my own terms, and more important than that, be respectful of all the people that helped me to get from point A to point B, and honor them at least a little bit and give back something a little bit. And I needed to do that in a very public way. Most of the approach is pretty much the way that I entered the tango world, which was in a very public way. So all of that stuff is done. No more. Anyways, as of last evening, it is now the new year. As of last evening at 12:01, Tango Topics, my tangotopics.com went offline, and it's pretty much done at this point. And I told people that it was coming and warned that it was coming. They had lots and lots and lots, and did I mention lots? Lots of warning. So it's all done now. And in one respect, I'm a little sad that, I've made all of these relationships over the last, this has been 15 years of my life. And those relationships, have sustained me, helped me through some tough times. But there was always tango to come back to, and now there is no more tango to go back to well, at least to fall back on. As I was saying to somebody this morning that said, so you feel free, and I said, my response to that was, yeah, I'm free of the yoke of tango, but I'm also free to fail or free to survive. And that's a little scary in one respect, and it's, if I'm honest with myself, it's a little scary in one respect, and it's true in another. And the hard realities of what will become my life in the next few months. I have these grand plans of what's coming next. I be honest with you, I am walking into a very uncertain future. It's not what I want to do. It's not ideally what I want to do. But the projects I want to go do. I want to do something creative with my life. I don't want to sit on my deathbed and wonder what if. So I'm not doing a what if anymore. That's not happening. But at the same time, I would like a little security. I'm getting to that age in my life where I just want to relax and not worry about where my next meal is coming from. And this choice was not exactly, that it was. It's what had to happen in order so that I had a place to live, so that I could survive. So the van purchase was pretty much about, having a roof over my head, and everything else that came from that was, well, there's always van life, and well, here I is. And it wasn't van life, well, the crazy scenes that you see of, people living out of the back of their vans in these amazing places. It was, okay, I know that this is going to be the only roof over my head for a very long time. But I also have these projects that I want to go do. So it's not about the amazing scenes, background scenes that you'll see. But it was more about having a roof over my head. So in that respect, it's a little scary. I don't know what's going to happen next. other than the van build. That is going to happen, thankfully. And now I have just enough money to do the van build. Not the way that I want at all. All right, that's a lot. I got some stuff to do today. I know it's New Year's, and you probably don't want to sit here and listen to me ramble on and on. And did I mention on and on and on? What's on my agenda for today, in case you were unclear or you care, what's on my agenda for today is, let's see, I have to go upload a Max video, an Emperor Max video, because the bandwidth here at the house is just not big enough to handle gigabyte files. After that, Leah and I are shooting the remainder of the videos for Tango Topics. There are still a few topics that have not been shot yet that need to get shot to finish off those projects. And then Max is losing his damn mind. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. This dog is like going nuts. Here, look. Max, chillax. Chillax. Look at him, he is so cute. Anyways, so I have to go shoot an Emperor Max video. And after that, I'm pretty much free. Yay! Free to, well, go do my life. All right, gotta go. Wow, it is really cold out here. He is shivering. Gotta go. All right. Back inside. And then back to work. Have a lovely 1st of January. Happy New Year.